Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting news to tell you. So a couple of days ago, my channel has just surpassed 100,000 subscribers. How exciting! While I am very privileged and very grateful to have this many support from you, I feel like this is just a stepping stone. After, let's say, 3 years since the very first time I published my video on YouTube, I have realized that there has been very little diversity in travel industry, such as on YouTube platform, especially from Asian female representation. So I hope that eventually this channel will be the source of information, travel ideas when it comes to travel, especially for those of you and those of us who comes from less privileged countries. For a lot of you, including me, who comes from Asia, we would understand the struggle, the difficulty in obtaining travel tourist visa to a lot of countries, especially Western countries, right? We also would understand the difficulties, the struggle of having much weaker currency. So it makes everything feels like very expensive when it comes to travel. And I hope that eventually in the future there will be more and more conversations about this type of issues rather than just about the benefits or the positive advantage that we get from travel. As you may know, traveling full-time while creating content on YouTube is actually a full-time job. While I'm very privileged and humbled to call this as my job, I still need your extensive support to sustain this channel. I understand that there are many opportunities such as brand deals, sponsored trips, and anything related to content creation. I want to keep this channel as simple as traveling and creating. If you would like to support me and this channel to be able to travel farther, to keep creating more content, there are many ways to do this. First being the simplest way, that is, do not skip the ads. If you don't know already, the way content creator earns money from YouTube is through advertisement that you watch and see on every single video. This is also based on channel interaction and audience. This means this very source of income is quite unsustainable because it fluctuates every month. By commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel, you are helping this channel to get more recognized by YouTube, in which it will help to promote different videos to be recognized and recommended by YouTube to a wider audience. The next way that you can support me is through Patreon and PayPal. While Patreon is a membership platform that allows you to support me on a monthly basis, PayPal is sort of no string attached, no commitment type of support, because you can donate through on and off basis. I rely on these 3 streamlines for a more sustainable income. First being YouTube, Patreon the second, and the last PayPal. All of the money that I get from these 3 different streamlines will be used to pay for production costs, travel costs, and anything related to content creation. Therefore, I believe that this is a rather collective effort between me and you. Last but not least, I would like to personally thank each one and every of you. Without your support that I have received so far, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing. So thank you very much. I am very grateful. I am very humbled. I'm very happy for having all of you to support me to do what I'm doing. Then yeah, that's pretty much what I'm trying to say. Oh, thank you. I really mean it. I'll see you again next time. Bye.